Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. It's Rachel here. Thank you so much for watching. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this soft trendy glam that's all over Instagram. And for this tutorial, I'm going to be using this bhcosmetics palette. So just soft, like an everyday look, which I am loving. So before we get started, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and then let's get started with the tutorial. And here is the palette I'm using. This is the bhcosmetics. So I'm gonna go in with these like neutral browns and then with this wolf cream. So we're gonna do like a little soft eye, almost a cut crease, and maybe some brown eyeliner. I'm just gonna grab the S Club, which is this nice brown right here, and that's just gonna be all over our eyelid as my eye primer. Blending this, giving this a nice neutral shade to the eyes. And if you like, see how beautiful color. I feel like this look is so easy and so fast to do, and gives you like the flawless to your makeup look. Like you're not trying too hard, but it still looks nice and clean and sophisticated. That's what I think about this soft look, like that. And then actually with the same brush, I'm gonna go in with October, which is this darker, nice brown, to like a brush like this. And I'm gonna grab October and I'm basically just gonna press this on the corners down here. You see that? Just gonna focus on the corners with the same brush you use for the first brown. Such a nice soft brown. Loving this look. Basically you're just extending it out. Gonna dip it back in October and gonna extend this just a little bit, not too much, and I'm just emphasizing right here in the corners. Not so much. So now we're gonna do just a small cut crease, and I'm just gonna grab my brush, my e.l.f. concealer, and I'm just gonna put this in the back of my hands because it just makes it much easier, because you don't need a lot. Cut crease, I'm not gonna go all the way. I'm gonna stop right here, right there. And then I'm gonna clean my brush. I don't want too much product on it. And I'm just slowly going above my eye. I'm gonna grab my finger and blend it in. And now I'm gonna go in with a wolf, and this is where I'm just gonna press and apply. All the way to the top here, and then bring it in. So I know it looks crazy now, so we're gonna go back with the same brush we've been using since the beginning, and I'm gonna go in with October and the S Club, mix those two browns together, and then we're just gonna bring it in right here and above. Then I'm just gonna go back with the wolf color sheer. Oh no, just right here, just to emphasize a little bit more. Just in the ends, just right here. But I'm gonna go back with this brush we've been using all along, and I'm just gonna soften the area with the wing. The same for this eye. So I'm just making mine a little more even. And okay, so now the eyes are done. So we're gonna go in with our mascara, and this is my favorite telescopic mascara. And now for foundation, I'm gonna go in with these two. These are the True Match from L'Oreal, and I'm in W6 and W7, mostly W7 and just a little bit of W6. And then for my dark circles, I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in here for my dark circles. This is just gonna be first to just cover the dark circles, and then I'm gonna go in with my lighter concealer. I'm gonna go ahead and grab Tawny, and we're gonna just brighten and extend. So I saw this trick on Instagram where you just draw a line right there. And you're basically gonna blend it in. And then it was like a line like on the side of your nose. And then it was around the mouth. Like, I always clean my eyeliner with the concealer. I always extend it. But then we're gonna apply some setting powder, and I think it's gonna make a big difference. And I already mentioned that this is by far my favorite to contour because it's just so creamy and so like natural. And then like the soft look, it's more like a natural colors to your skin that looks like the best. Keeping it simple yet still like flawless, you know. So it's not too much bronzer, it's more blush. So I'm gonna go ahead and bake, and I'm using my Spun Original Formula face powder. I'm actually gonna leave it on around the eye area just a little bit longer, my lower jaw. I'm grabbing my Maybelline Fit Me. This is in 235 pressed powder, and I'm just gonna take away this. So now I'm going to go in with blush, and with this blush it is Always Cheeky and Elf. There you go. Almost like a peachy pale color. Go like this, and it's going to go right here. And then it's okay if you go a little too much because we're gonna apply some bronzer very lightly, nothing too crazy. And this is just my favorite Maybelline. Just like that to warm up my face, you see. And then my jawline, because we don't want a double chin, so let's hide that double chin. Now to dust this part away, I'm gonna go in with my brightening powder from KKW Beauty, and we're just gonna apply that by also removing the powder. With my Morphe Bite Me. And I'm gonna go in with L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick. This is in Nudist. And it smells so good. And then I like to grab my finger and blend it in. And we're almost done with the eyes. Are the Araceli lashes, Araceli Beauty lashes. They're so gorgeous. So I'm just gonna use my dual glue, and to be honest, I do not like this glue. It definitely takes forever to dry, so just be aware. I'm trying to find a good glue for false lashes. And the lashes are on. So just for the bottom under eyes, we're gonna apply just a tiny bit of eyeshadow. So I'm gonna grab the October Brown, which is this nice tone. And I'm gonna use just the bronzer. I use the Maybelline. I just have this like tiny little brush. We're just gonna define the nose more. And we just contour just a little bit of the nose. I apply just a little bit more blush. And yeah, that completes the soft glam look, guys. Definitely like this look. Not too much bronzer, more of the blush, like I said, very soft. But I definitely recommend everybody to try this like soft glam look. I am definitely obsessed with this blush from e.l.f. It just looks so good in my skin tone. But that completes the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.